How to ship from China to the USA by DDP service. Shipping from China to the USA by DDP service now is very popular. It's easy and will save a lot of your time. If you are looking for this service from China to the USA now, here is a step-by-step for your reference. 1. Find a reliable shipping company. Search a shipping company who offers DDP service, including customs clearance and tax from China to the USA, with experience like DFH. Prepare the packing list and invoice with detailed delivery address and zip code to the shipping company to get the right quotation by details. 3. Choose the right way you want to deliver. DDP service including by L and by sea, different price based on different delivery time and items. DFH can arrange no matter normal size or oversized items. FBA address, business address, or personal address. 4. Choose the shipping company to cooperate. After you compare all, DFH is professional in this service for more than 10 years. We can assure to make your shipment more easier. 5. Make the payment for the shipping charge and get tracking number. DFH will update the tracking information all the time till the goods reach your door. You no need to worry about where is your goods. 6. Waiting for the goods reach to your door only in your sight after the item delivered out. It's easy, right? If any goods ready to ship or any questions, please feel free to contact with me. Thank you.